What a turnaround we saw in the markets today, but this time with a twist. The Dow saw huge swings today, at one point falling 193 points at the low, but then soaring higher by 228 points. Eventually, we closed up 183 points. The S&P gained 9.5 points, but the Nasdaq couldn't manage to close in the green, ending the session down 12 points. It could all be thanks to oil, and that's where the twist comes in. Oil gushing higher today, closing up 8%. The final tally, $32.28 a barrel. That's the highest settlement for crude since January 29th. Yum Brands opening its books after the bell. It reported earnings per share that beat by 2 pennies, but revenue did fall short of estimates. The company behind Pizza Hut and KFC is also on track to spin off its China division by the end of 2016. Also after the bell, we got news that the ailing 92-year-old media mogul Sumner Redstone will resign as executive chairman of CBS. He was named chairman emeritus, but this after he faces a legal battle over his mental competency. CBS CEO Les Moonves will assume Redstone's position as chairman. What happened to shares? Well, they rose on that news in the aftermarket session. Yahoo shares, though, getting pummeled today. This after the online media company reported yesterday after the bell that it'll lay off 15% of its workforce and will also consider offers for all or part of its internet core business. Investors were not impressed either way. The stock closed down some 5%. Chipotle's stomach still upset from the company's E. coli outbreak. The company falling today 3% after reporting sales plunged, and the scope of the federal investigation into the chain was wider than previously disclosed. Sales sank 36% in January alone. The final hour of trade, the most important hour of trade. Boy, did we have a lot of volatility today, so tune in tomorrow. Countdown to the closing bell, 3 p.m. Eastern on Fox Business. Have a great night.